Hello there, I'm Daniel, the founder of Galactic Games. Today we are looking at the bridge between the player and the game logic. In Unreal Engine 5, the UMG or Unreal Motion Graphics framework is what allows us to create everything from health bars and inventory screens to complex main menus. Today we'll break down how widgets function and how to properly connect them to your blueprints. Let's go! A common misconception is that UI is just drawn on top of the screen. In reality, a widget is a specialized blueprint class. It contains its own designer tab for visual layout and its own graph for logic. This separation allows you to design high-fidelity interfaces that are fully interactive and reactive to game events, rather than just static overlays. The foundation of every widget is the hierarchy. You use panels like the canvas panel for absolute positioning, or vertical and horizontal boxes for automatic alignment. By nesting components like buttons, images, and text blocks, you build the visual structure of your UI. It is critical to use anchors correctly to ensure your UI scales properly across different screen resolutions and aspect ratios. To make the UI interactive, we use events. Every button or slider has built-in events like onClicked or onValueChanged. When these fire, they trigger logic in the widget's graph. However, a professional practice is to keep the widget dumb. It should only display data and send signals. Complex logic, like actually spending gold or changing levels, should still live in your player or game mode blueprints. To display live data like health, we use data binding. You can link a text field directly to a variable or a function. While simple bindings are easy to set up, they run every single frame, which can impact performance. For more optimized games, it is better to use event-driven UI, where the player blueprint tells the widget to update only when the health actually changes. Finally, a widget does not exist until you spawn it. You use the create widget node, usually within your player controller or character. Once created, you must use the add to viewport node to render it on the player's screen. This is also where you manage the Z order, which determines which UI elements appear on top of others. Widgets are the primary way you communicate information to your player. Master the UMG system, and you'll turn your raw game mechanics into a polished professional experience. And that's it. Thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you all for supporting Galactic Games.